first-time Winter Games are to be held in 4 cities at once. Kemerovo, the capital of Kuzbass, welcomes us. Here, every second person is engaged in sports activities. Southern capital of Kuzbass, city of labor merit, Novokuznetsk is one of the largest metallurgical centers of Russia. Междуреченск is located in the confluence of 2 mirror-like rivers, Usa and Tom. Mountainous Sharia. It is often called Siberian Switzerland for its amazing nature. New sport stars will rise and shine on the second winter Children of Asia International Sports Games. Games motto: from friendship in sports to peace on earth. Children of Asia is the beginning of victories.